Okay, this house was done on Monday with the Pina Colada encapsulator. You see all the white blotching in between or the darker areas? And I'll show you the hallway. This customer called me back and I had told her that you need to vacuum. The encapsulator would dry down to a crystal. It actually feels like a powder to the touch, but you see that? Everywhere it was sprayed heavier, even though we pad capped it. This is after me brushing it and then vacuuming. There's the brush. I mean, see how much more even the carpet looks? So it's important to let your customer know. Here's the hallway, major difference just by brushing and vacuuming or just vacuuming alone. So heads up, thanks for watching.